In this video, we will present to you the cost estimation for material valuation by warehouse. This feature enables you to imitate prices for material valuation by average price from one or more selected warehouses. Let's see an example. As the responsible person, you want to calculate the future price of your product. To do this, you perform a cost estimation. When doing cost estimation, you want to try out different prices for material valuation. Select a custom setting for prices, and a desired warehouse for valuation, where you also have the suitable authorizations. First, select the material warehouse. Then select the work order warehouse. And then compare the average price for material valuation. If you do not select a warehouse for valuation, and warehouses have different average prices, the system takes the highest. Thank you for your attention. For further help or advice, please refer to our consultants.